It was September 4th, 2022, and everything seemed like a normal day on the job for Trooper Billy Martin until a black Nissan stopped in front of him at a traffic light. Billy ran the vehicle's license plate through the system and quickly discovered that the registration had expired. He immediately activated his lights and sirens to conduct a traffic stop, but the driver slammed on the gas and made it clear he had no intention of stopping.
Let me know which way you go to split.
The pursuit quickly escalated to speeds of over 100 miles per hour, proving that the suspect wasn't thinking about the consequences of his actions or what could go wrong. But at that point, the chase was already underway. Trooper Billy was forced to follow at high speeds while remaining extremely cautious, with one clear goal in mind: bringing the pursuit to an end as quickly and safely as possible.
You did pin him out?
Trooper Billy took advantage of an opportunity when he got close enough to the suspect and executed a pit maneuver, sending the Nissan Versa into the roadside barrier. The impact caused significant damage to the vehicle and left it with a disabled tire, bringing the pursuit on wheels to an end. However, the suspect wasn't done yet. He jumped out of the wrecked car and took off on foot. After a brief foot pursuit, the suspect was caught, arrested, and taken into custody. He was later charged with fleeing, reckless driving, expired registration, and a long list of additional offenses. It was September 27th, 2025, when Trooper Billy was sitting in his patrol car during a traffic stop when his radar suddenly picked up a vehicle traveling 92 miles per hour in a 65 mile per hour zone. After quickly finishing the stop he was already on, he located the white Chevrolet that had triggered the radar. Billy attempted to pull the driver over, but as soon as he activated his lights and sirens, the driver hit the gas and started fleeing.
Go ahead. 167 north, just about ran 69. It's a white, I believe it's a Chevy Impala. It's got out-of-state tag, 227 X-ray Norwood, 227 X-ray Norwood. Possibly out of Michigan, I'm not sure. Traveling 87 right now.
The pursuit quickly escalated as the Chevrolet continued speeding, changing lanes without signaling and reaching speeds of around 100 miles per hour. Billy stayed right behind the suspect, waiting for the right opportunity to end the chase.
Okay, go ahead and call it pursuit. As soon as I get clear traffic, I'm going to TV on.
Hot Springs, all you have 1063K dispatch, 1436. Birthday Grand County.
TBI Hot Springs, go ahead and send ambulance.
The pit maneuver sent the Chevrolet off the roadway, where it rolled multiple times before coming to a stop. Even after the crash, the driver refused to cooperate and had to be forced to the ground before being handcuffed. A search later revealed suspected marijuana, and Joseph Henderson was charged with felony fleeing, reckless driving, speeding, marijuana possession, and several other offenses. It was February 26, 2026, when Trooper Billy Martin attempted to stop a Volkswagen Touareg for speeding. Instead of pulling over, the driver continued accelerating through Fayetteville and ignored the trooper's lights and sirens, quickly turning a routine traffic stop into a pursuit.
10-4, show you turning eastbound to Fulbright. Show me 10-4, 10-37. Still on the brake. Still TDM. F1 TDM. F4 TVI, should you? Full right. F4 westbound, full right. Wrecked up. F4 wrecked up. .42's out with him.
As the pursuit entered a populated area, Trooper Billy decided it was time to end it. After an unsuccessful pit attempt, he successfully executed a second one, sending the Touareg off the roadway. The driver fled on foot but was quickly arrested. Signs of impairment were observed, and Zachary Mason was charged with DWI, felony fleeing, fleeing on foot, speeding, and refusing a breath test. It was June 10th, 2023, when Trooper Billy Martin was sitting stationary at a way station on Interstate 40, when he spotted a gray Nissan Altima speeding at 86 miles per hour in a 65 mile per hour zone. He activated his lights and sirens to conduct a traffic stop, but the driver refused to pull over, turning a routine stop into a pursuit. The suspect exited the interstate and continued driving recklessly, weaving across lanes and nearly losing control at one point. Trooper Billy stayed right behind him and attempted multiple pit maneuvers, determined to bring the pursuit to an end.
ass on the ground! Get your ass on the ground! Get your ass down! Get down! Get down, 5-2! Get down! Get down! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground!
The pursuit ended after a successful pit maneuver stopped the Altima. The driver then jumped out and tried to flee on foot, even running across interstate lanes, but quickly realized there was no escape and surrendered. He was taken into custody without further incident. It was June 28, 2024, when Trooper Billy Martin was notified that Madison County Sheriff's Office was pursuing a green Chevrolet Silverado and requested assistance. Billy joined the pursuit and became the primary unit as the suspect continued fleeing down Highway 412 at speeds approaching 100 miles per hour.
Speed's 95. Watch the river bridges here. That's what well, if you'd let Madison County know whoever else is involved not to rush the vehicle once we get it fitted out. Definitely. Coming up to Berry Road, speed's 90. Berry Road, speed's 90. No traffic. Spring goes back in. Coming up Small Road, speeds 100. No traffic.
The pursuit quickly escalated as the suspect brake-checked troopers, turned around, and continued fleeing at speeds reaching 110 miles per hour. At one point, the Silverado was even driving eastbound in the westbound lanes before the driver lost control while attempting a turn and crashed into a utility pole.
Just turn around. Just turn around. Take well towards the primary key. Speed 105 for traffic. Take for speed 105 for traffic. South 298, coming up towards the door, efficient. Hey, we're still eastbound, past the door.
The wrong way. We're going to take a left once north. Crashed out.
After the crash, the suspect jumped out and fled on foot. Trooper Billy attempted to use his taser, but when it proved ineffective, he physically took the suspect to the ground and placed him into custody. The suspect, later identified as Barry Reynolds, was arrested without further incident. Once again, Trooper Billy Martin showed exactly why he is one of the most effective troopers on the road. Whether it's high-speed pursuits, foot chases, or making split-second decisions under pressure, he always seems ready for the challenge. What do you think about Trooper Billy Martin? Let me know down in the comments.